always begin by cleaning the screen with the wet and dry wipes. Expose the adhesive on the mounting pad and adhere it to a sturdy surface, such as a dining room table. This will keep the phone still during the installation. Remove the cap of the alignment tool and insert it into the phone's USB-C port. Make sure that it is pushed in all the way. Set the protector on the phone with the text facing upwards. Place the 3 punched holes into the alignment tool and then affix the cap. This will hold the protector in proper alignment during installation by acting as a hinge. Lift the protector up and remove the first mask film from underneath, and then set the protector back down. At this point, be careful to ensure the protector is perfectly aligned and swipe the adhesive strip in the middle. Lift the free end of the protector and use the dust removal stickers to make sure that the screen is dust-free. Use the squeegee to jut the mask film out from underneath, and then roll the protector into place. Uncap the alignment tool and repeat the same steps on the other side of the phone. Press along the edges to seal the protector in place, and use the squeegee to remove any bubbles. Remove the third mask film, and then enjoy your screen protector.